Good afternoon, and thank you for clicking in. February 28th, 2025 from Steamboat, Colorado. This is a rectangular monolith with Trailhead log set. This is a kickstart or a blackened steel, which is what we recommend. If you were to powder coat it, you can do that too, but the blackening is a much more natural look, and it does save you money. Powder coating is not cheap. This will continue to patina and weather over time, and the color will evolve. Surfin is the chemical that's been put on this, S-U-R-F-I-N. Surfin does really cool things to mild steel, and for those of you DIYers or blacksmiths out there, you know what Surfin is all about. It's a wonderful chemical. 970-759-3103. Jason at Breck Ironworks.com. Please reach out anytime and let's build one together for your happy place. Thank you so much.